Hello everyone and welcome to Loyo Ego Investment Company. We buy, we sell and we lend a home and vehicles. Thank you for joining us today as we take on an exclusive tour to another outstanding property in the heart of Kigali, Rwanda. If you've been searching for a beautiful family home that offers comfort, modern design, generous living space, and an excellent location, then you are in the right place. Today, we are proud to present this exceptional home located in KAGARAMA, Muyanje, and Kicukiro district, one of Kigali's most peaceful and secure, highly sought after residential neighborhoods. Whether you are planning to buy your first home, relocate your family, or invest in Rwanda's growing real estate market, this property deserves your attention. Before we step inside, take a moment to appreciate the surrounding. By the way, take one moment to subscribe, like, share our video so to grow our audiences. KAGARAMA has become one of Kigali's preferred residential areas because it offers a perfect balance between convenience and tranquility. The neighborhood is clean, well organized, and surrounded by beautiful homes, making it an ideal place for families, professionals, and entrepreneurs and investors. Living here means enjoying a peaceful environment while remaining one and only a short drive from Kigali's business district and essential services. With just a few minutes, you can easily reach quality schools, hospitals, shopping centers, restaurants, cafes, banks, churches, fitness centers, pharmacies, and public transport as well. Everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle is close to your doorstep. Now let's take a close look at this impressive property. As we approach the entrance, the first things you'll notice is the modern architecture design that immediately gives the home a luxurious and welcoming appearance. The exterior has been thoughtfully designed with clean lines, quality finishes, and elegant colors combination that creates a timeless look. The property is fully enclosed by a secure perimeter wall, providing privacy and peace of mind for you and your family. A strong entrance gateway welcomes you into the compound, creating a sense of exclusivity from the very first moment you arrive. Stepping into the compound, you will immediately notice the generous amount of outdoor space. Together, the living room, dining room, and kitchen create a welcoming environment where comfort, style, and practicality come together beautifully. The house contains 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Every bathroom has been finished with quality materials and contemporary fixtures, combining practicality with elegant design. Outside there are annexes, big storage, parking, and outdoor spaces. Beyond the main house, this property offers additional features that enhance both functionality and long-term values. Buyer's benefits. As we come to the end of the property tour, let's take a moment to recap everything this exceptional home has to offer. Located in the highly desirable neighborhood at KAGARAMA, Muyanje, Kicukiro district, this beautiful property combines modern design, spacious living, and everyday convenience in one remarkable package. It features 4 special bedrooms, 5 modern bathroom, a bright living room, a generous dining area, a functional kitchen, staff annexes, a dedicated storage room, a larger parking area with 3 vehicles, excellent road access, and secure, peaceful environment. Whether you're looking for your forever family home, upgrading your current lifestyle, or making a smart investment in Kigali growing real estate market, this property is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Homes in this location continue to attract strong demand due to the excellent accessibility, quality neighborhoods, and long-term investment potential. Imagine waking up every morning in a home that offers comfort, elegance, security, and convenience. Imagine creating lasting memories with your family in a place designed for modern living. This could be the beginning of your next chapter. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing or receive more information about this property, we would be delighted to assist you. Simply call us or WhatsApp us today. The number is provided on our screen. Our team is ready to answer your questions and guide you throughout every step of the buying process. Thank you for taking this tour with us. If you enjoyed this property, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more premium homes and investment opportunities across Rwanda. We look forward to helping you find your perfect home. See you in the next property tour. Thank you for watching. Properties in KAGARAMA remain in high demand because of the area's reputation for safety, accessibility, and steady value appreciation. Owning a home here means investing in both your lifestyle and your future. As we prepare to enter the house, imagine the possibilities that these beautiful properties offers. Imagine family gatherings, peaceful evenings, celebrations with friends, and the comfort of coming home every single day to a place designed for modern living.